Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to combine your two partitions on your drive using your Windows PC. So this is really easy. If you want to go ahead and open this up, go to Search, Disk Management, Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. And this is how you get to this window I'm on right now. So you can see I have two different disk drives under here. I'm just going to assign this one a volume real quick, and it's going to look like this for you. So you might have, a volume on the left and right. And if we go on down, this is disk one. This is our Windows drive. I got Windows on it, and I don't use this for anything. So on this drive, though, I want to combine these. What I could do is I could right click on it, and you might have the option to extend it. So you can see down here it has extend volume, but it's all grayed out. So you have to delete one of the sides. So I'm going to go to this side right here, and then I'm going to delete it. Otherwise, you could try shrinking it too if you don't need it all. So we can delete this side. Now, if I go to this side, it has the option to extend the volume. And then we can just go to next. Okay, I'm going to use all that unallocated space and add it to my current drive. And boom. Now, if you're unable to extend it and delete your other drives, um, one thing you could do is just wipe everything out by deleting the entire volume and then, formatting it as one or extending the new drive to the entire thing. So if you're unable to delete something, something that works well for me is called DiskGenius. And I like that one. So if you go to google.com, type in DiskGenius. I think this by the CC Cleaner people, DiskGenius Data Recovery. We can open this up. Now this is DiskGenius right here. Download it. We can open it up now since I have it on my computer. DiskGenius. And I hit yes when it says yes. Now, when this opens up, this will allow us to delete entire partitions. So we can close this, close this, close this. Now we have this open. And we can go to our drive. Just make sure you select the correct one. So you can see it here in the top left. I can go to this now, right click on it. And I can go to delete all partitions, erase sector. So I can erase a sector off here if I want. But most of the time I just go to delete all partitions. And then this will allow me to, add a new partition all as one. So let's go to delete partitions here. Make sure I have the correct drive selected. So I'm just going to make sure. And if you get like an error where you're not able to delete something, this usually is what fixes it for me. Then make sure you go to save all in the top left. Now under disk management, we can go back here. And when this opens up, it's going to be all allocated now. You can just combine it as one. So if it's unable to delete, just look at that as an option under DiskGenius. And then it's combined. So very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.